Ahoy, hoy. Due to the great work that we did on the previous guitars for my local reuse centre, they gave these to me to do up. The next 4 guitars on the Resurrectionist are all for charity and all for the local reuse centre, and they'll be resold for them. I was expecting some crappy little guitars like we had before. We've got some class acts here today, starting with this, which is... ouch. Starting with this, which... doesn't need a lot of work. It's an Indonesian made Squier by Fender Jazz Bass, and it's near perfect. It's got some dust on it, it's got a couple of bits of snot on it, but we're not going to have to do a lot to it to get this up to scratch. The only problem with it is what you can see. It's left-handed. Now, the song might go, I can't write left-handed. I can't play left-handed. I can barely play right-handed, some would say. But here it is, an almost perfect jazz bass, and I can't play it. Anyway, let's go and clean it up and see what we can do. Off to the workbench.
Several days later.
Ahoy, hoy, welcome back to the room. Some time has passed, as you can tell by my hair and beard, but we're back with this lovely Squier Jazz Bass. Still not certain which type of Squier Jazz Bass it is. Indonesian made, year under here. I don't want to say it's a classic vibe, because I can't prove it's a classic vibe. But if you look at the specs of this and classic vibes, it's this instrument. I don't know, it's not a classic vibe either. It is still left-handed, there's nothing I can do about that. But it's perfect. There's very little I've needed to do. Dusting it off, there was a couple of marker scrapes on it where somebody's touched it with a felt tip pen. Those have come off very easily with some good cleaning. There's a, one mark there, and the chrome isn't perfect, but it's by far the best looking guitar I think I've had, apart from a brand new one. So let's embarrass myself by trying to play backwards. So I presume this is a neck pickup. I presume this is the bridge. And this is both. nice. And turn the other way. As I said, I can't play left-handed, which is a bit of a shame, because I would probably keep this if it was right-handed and pay South Bucks Hospice, for whom this is being auctioned, for it. If you're left-handed, if you need a mid-range bass, this is it. Unfortunately, there's no case for it. I don't have a case for a bass in your face. Everything is working perfectly. It's one of the best set up basses I've ever played. Normally they've got quite a high action, and this doesn't. It will come packaged in cardboard. I only send things through DHL. If you want it insured, it's extra, or come and collect it. I'm between Leighton Buzzard and Aylesbury. All the money goes to South Bucks Hospice. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see how this one does. Subscribe there, more videos there, and some cats now. Take care.